Wait. Please like this video and comment on it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Welcome to another video of Makwala Agri. So in today's video, we're not gonna be inside our chicken house. I'm not gonna be sharing anything about chickens, but I'm gonna be showing you where I buy my wood shaving. So come with me on the road as we go to buy wood shavings. Firstly, we need some bags that we're gonna be putting our wood shavings. So we are taking the Nazen 1400 for a spin. So we gonna be on this trip with our Nazen 1400. This is my favorite car, guys. You should have seen the day that I bought this car, how happy I was. Some they said I should have bought MP200, some they said I should bought Opel Corsa, some they said Chevrolet Utility. You guys don't understand the love that I have for Nazen 1400. This is the only half-ton buggy that comes with a diff. You can imagine the power on this car. But anyway, let's get some gas. In South Africa, we call it Petrol. Then we were done getting the petrol gas for our car. So I bought 300 rand for petrol. So put it that in our calculation. It will make sense at the end. So the trip from the garage to Mjaji's Kloof was not that long. Almost 66 kilometers. You're looking at a 1 hour drive. Then we saw one of the ZZ2 field where they've planted tomatoes. These guys are rich. The ZZ2 guys, the bucket that you're saying just passing in front of me belongs to him. You know, in Limpopo you see a yellow tractor, yellow bus, yellow truck, yellow buggy. Anything yellow, it belongs to ZZ2. Even this one in front of me belongs to ZZ2. Hi, 14 baga taking on GD6. How nice it is. My car is fast, guys, and strong. Welcome to Mjaji's Kloof, previously known as Devil's Kloof. So this is a small town in Limpopo, located outside Tzaneen, which is one of the biggest towns when it comes to agricultural product in Limpopo. So it's about 19 kilometers away from Tzaneen. So Mjaji's Kloof, it was previously known as Devil's Kloof. So older people know it as Devil's Kloof. So when we go here or when we come here, I normally say I'm going to Devil when I tell my grandfather, because they know it as Devil's Kloof. So but now it was changed in the around June 2004. It was changed to Mjaji's Kloof. It was named Mjaji's Kloof after it's named after the Rin Queen, Queen Mojaji. So actually this is where Queen Mojaji comes from, in Limpopo. Let's just explore the town. By the way, the town is just one street, so don't say I didn't take you to the other part of town. What you see, it's the town. It starts here and it's gonna end where I'm gonna buy wood shaving. Here it comes the end of our tour in Mujaji's Kloof. Now this is the end of the town. I told you the town is one street and it's small, no robot, only stop signs. Then we have arrived where I'm gonna buy the wood shaving. We have arrived in Devil's Kloof. So this is Mujaji's Kloof actually. Here where I collect my sawdust, it's a factory that actually produces doors. I don't know if you can see, there's a guy there with a red t-shirt. Is busy actually preparing a door there. They're busy putting on the lock. So I'm not allowed to walk inside this factory. I park outside. As you can see, I'm outside now in my car. So the guy will actually fill up my bags and then put it at the gate there, and then I'm gonna pick them up there at the gate, and then I'm gonna be putting them in my buggy. So yeah, I'm gonna be buying a bag for R8. I think I came with about 15 or 16 empty bags. So I hope they will fill up in my small buggy. So guys, yeah, this is the journey. So the guy actually called me to come and help him out, but yeah, I was still outside. So what I was doing here, I was just closing the bags as he was busy refilling the bags with wood shaving. So the reason why we call it sawdust is because some people, they think it's sawdust, but actually it's called wood shaving. So there's a difference between sawdust and wood shaving. So the sawdust is the dust, and then wood shaving is the shavings from the wood. I hope that's clear. As soon as I finished actually closing up my bags, I then loaded them at the back of the bag. I know you guys are waiting for the price. How much is this guy traveling 60 kilometers just to get wood shaving? How much is this guy actually paying? So for each bag, I pay R8. So when they refill my bags, I pay only R8. You can imagine. And I came here with about 17 bags that I needed to be refilled. So they couldn't refill all those bags. Then I had to go to the second location to get more wood shaving, because here the one that they had, it was not enough for the bags that I came with. So I came with about 17 bags. So my car doesn't have any brake, guys. So I put a brake so that I can reverse nicely, because here it is a step hill. If you never done lessons, you don't know what step hill is. So here's the second location where I actually got my other bags filled up. So on the first one, I think we did 15, and then here we came and do 2 or 3, not sure with the numbers, but here they charge R10, and on the other side they charge R8. So this is another factory where they produce doors. So I'm here getting my last 2 bags filled up. This is the second location where you can buy your wood shaving here in Mujaji's Kloof. So if you're looking to do fencing for your farm and you're looking for posts, fencing posts, this is the plug. They got all sizes of posts, like they supply Escom, everybody. They supply them here in Limpopo. So there's the factory. For my land that I bought in 2019, actually I bought the poles here. But yeah, we're just here to fill up the last 2 bags, and then we are out of here, going back home. So I was just plugging you the area of where you can get your wood shaving as well. So I think here they sell it for R10, and then there they sell it for R8. So yeah, let's I was gonna shoot content, but these people don't allow us to come inside, even though it's not healthy for me to go inside because I'm not wearing any mask, because these people work with dust, so you can imagine. So now our bags are all full, so we only came with 17 bags, and then we are ready to hit the road. So now let's calculate how much money did we spend. So remember when I said keep the 300 in your head, so now we gonna need it. So it's gonna be 300 plus 120 for the 15 bags that we got from the first factory, plus 20 rand from this last factory where we got 2 bags. So all the money, all in, what guys is chavil. So all in all, it's gonna be 440. So it cost us 440 to get 17 bags of wood chipping. So these 17 bags, I can use them in 2 seconds. So let's check how much money did we save. So now 17 bags in my area, they were gonna cost me around 850. So now we're gonna take that 850, subtract 440, then we are left with 410 rand. So that's how much money we have saved today at Makwala Agri. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like. So if you really love Makwala Agri, you'll do the things that I just asked you to do. Like this video, guys, and comment on it and tell us how do you feel about our content.